Hi, good morning. This video is going to be a little different today because I'm going to walk you through how to access Freckle. This is where all of your work will be from now on. We are hoping that this is going to make schoolwork easier for everybody because you're not going to have to be clicking back and forth between a bunch of different websites and looking on our class story for stuff and then having to go back to your portfolio to upload it. So we are really excited to give this a whirl. So I wanted to kind of show you how to log into it, and then I wanted to explain how it's going to work because you might be overwhelmed when you see all of the assignments when you first log in. So to get logged into Freckle, you're going to go to student.freckle.com. And when you log in for the very first time, you're only going to see this section right here. But I've already kind of logged in as a student just to see how everything was laid out before I sent it over to you guys. So when you log in for the first time, you're going to put our class code, which is actually right here. So it's just HURT PS and do all capital letters. So once you enter the class code, it's going to ask you for your first and your last name. So I'm just going to type in Gerontes. Okay. And then you're going to click on my name. Okay. So when it says which class are you practicing in right now, go ahead and scroll down to other, because then that will show you everything. Now, since I had used Geronte the very first time that I tried logging into, I had went ahead and selected an avatar for him. So he can go in and change that when he wants to. So when you first log in for the very first time, instead of seeing like the let's get started Geronte, there's going to be a little box and it's going to ask you to pick an avatar, and it's just a bunch of different little animals. So you'll select and you'll actually earn, coins. And you can use those coins to like customize your avatar and stuff like that. But then it's going to send you to the dashboard with our assignments. So here are your assignments for the week. Okay, this is what I want you to do. Each day, I want you to just do one activity from each subject area. So you'll do one math, one language arts, one science, and then one social studies. Don't do anything more than that. That's going to take you about the 2 hours that it would normally take you to do your work anyway. Today may take you a little longer than most because it's going to have you do some pre-tests. Because the really cool thing about Freckle is it tailors your work to your level. So it needs to give you a pre-test just to kind of see where you're at. So if it feels like you're on it for a really long time today, it's because you have that pre-test to do. But otherwise, it shouldn't really take you too very long every single day. The other thing that I really like about this and something that I want you to keep in mind is it actually shows me how long you're working on each assignment. So if you're rushing through stuff, I'm going to be able to tell and I'll have to reassign it to you. So this is our new layout for schoolwork. Let me know if you have any questions about it. If you have any questions about the work, just shoot me a message on Dojo and I will happily walk you through it. I hope you guys have a great day. I miss you so much and I love you. Bye.